pretty good factor rate again. This first fight, I saw people fighting up here with gunshots and the muzzle flash, so push them, and pretty sure I see one dead guy on the stairs here. No, we're not. There he is in the hallway. And then that guy threw a pretty good nade out, so it made me reposition. And then in my last video I was talking about repositioning. And in this one, same thing again. He pushed out looking for me. He's going to peek this corner and not fully expect that I'm here. And you got me a little bit there, but you can hear him pushing me, so you just peek out. That's why you never run down a hallway. And then I'm just getting a task item here. Grab his stuff real quick. Time to leave. Got the task item. Just want to get out. I'm gonna head to the factory gate. The one that you need the factory key for. Just up here in a second. I made it a little bit louder, but you can hear some footsteps to my left. And then it's like, okay, somebody knows I'm trying to leave because they heard me run down the steps or whatever. And so I'm waiting for them to push me down this hallway. And then I made it a little bit louder so you can hear it. But as soon as I stop moving, he stops moving. So at this point, I think, alright, this guy knows I'm trying to leave, so he's going to try to camp this exit, so I'm not going to push there and see if he will push me. Let's take some just warning shots or whatever and try to book it out. I don't want to fight, I'm just trying to leave. Tarkov seems to be 50-50 coin flips if you win or lose fights. So you can hear him trying to follow me. I was like, alright, maybe he knows what I'm doing. Just going to exit as fast as I can. And here, I think I'm going to be smart. Open the second door, make him think I'm already in the second spot, and see if he will push me, and I'll just peek out and blast him. But there you go, right through the wall, and I'm like, what? And it's like, okay, this is my confirmation that my suspicions were true, but I didn't understand how he was able to follow me so well and know exactly where I was. Just, they don't even care anymore.